Hello and welcome to Got Stocks. Today is August 2nd, 2024. It's a Friday. We had a really bad day in the stock market. We're going to look at some of the technical analysis to see what key areas have been broken, where some support areas are. So stay tuned. This is a good one. Here we are, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. We closed down today 610. Wow, what a day in the market. If you look in this area here, all this profit that was made in the past several weeks was wiped out in 2 days. That's how it works. That's why you have to put your stops in, manage your risk. It's real important. These are opportunities. When the market flushes out like this, you have to do your due diligence and look at some of these stocks that have been extended for a long time. These are buying opportunities, investing opportunities, because in the grand scheme of things, what happened in the market in the Dow Jones Industrial Average really wasn't that bad, but these are opportunities. If we look down here, the 52-week low is 32,327. The 52-week high is 41,376. And today's close is 39,737. So let's look at this. 41,376 is the 52-week high, and it just closed at 39,737. That's a decrease from the high of 3.96%. That's really not that substantial. It seems like a lot because it happened really quick, but that's the way the market moves. The 52-week low was 32,327. So the Dow Jones Industrial Average has increased 27.99% increase in the past year. The average market return over the history of the market is between 8 and 12%, depending on who you talk to and then if you're calculating dividends. But if you just go on an average of a 10% increase, here we are at almost 30% in the past 52 weeks. So we are extended. So this pullback is essentially healthy for the market. Now, of course, we're talking about the Dow Jones Industrial Average. If you look at the white line, that's your 10-day. The purple line is your 21-day. The green line is your 50-day. And the red line is your 200-day moving average. If we're looking at these moving averages, today, gaps down, blew through the 10, the 21. What did it do? It came down and it touched the 50-day moving average. So the Dow Jones looks good right now. But you want to keep an eye on it because it could get a lot worse from here, or it could go on a consolidation period and get ready. Let's keep our eye on this so we can look at individual stocks. Here's Amgen. This is a 1-year chart. Each candle represents 1 day. So this is Amgen is trading at the top of its range. It looks really good. Here's American Express, had a bad day. Looks like we're going to be getting the interest rate cut here shortly, and that's going to affect the financial markets. Here's Caterpillar. Caterpillar took a hit. Salesforce doesn't look good. Goldman Sachs, they got smoked. Let's look at the 52-week low is 289. The high is 517. That's a pretty substantial move. And all it did now is pull back to the 50-day moving average. So it still hasn't really done that much damage. Now it can go a lot further from here. So what's next on the list? Home Depot goes down almost to the 50-day moving average. Mickey D's has been struggling all year long. The 52-week high is 302, and it recently hit a 52-week low of 243, and now has bounced off of the bottom. Microsoft's 52-week low is 309. The 52-week high is 468. That's a pretty substantial move. This downdraft, it's touching the 200-day moving average. Typically, in a bull market, you're going to see stocks will trade at their 10, their 21, and their 50-day moving average. And then when we go into a consolidation period, we'll trade down to their 200-day moving average. And if we go into a bear market, then it blows through all of their averages and trades a lot lower than that. So right now, this stock looks pretty good. So here we are. It looks pretty decent. If you're a long-term investor, you're going to be fine. If you are trading these markets, You need to expand your stops and reduce your size. And that will complete our analysis of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this video was helpful and brings value to your process. Be careful when trading and investing in the stock market. It's very risky. And always remember to dot your I's, cross your T's, and don't forget the Z. Happy investing.